In this video, we are going to apply the anticipation in our animation. So if I'm gonna hit play, this is what the anticipation looks like. So in anticipation, we create a preparation movement before doing the actual animation. And of course, we need to plan how we are going to terminate or end our animation. So in this video, let's create one from scratch. First, let's create a new project. So go to File, New Project, don't save, and create a new composition, 5-second duration. So let's type anticipation. Let's import a background for this one. Import, and then let's create new folders for this, for the image and the rename. So I'm just selecting the folder and pressing right mouse button to rename. This will be the comp, office goes to image, anticipation goes to comp. So this image we're going to put inside our working area, and then rescale this a bit large that we won't be able to see this eliminate stock photo. Once we're satisfied, let's lock this image by pressing the padlock here. And then now instead of icons, let's use a layer image. Let's use a layer text. So for this, inside our working area, let's press right mouse button, press new, and then select the text layer, and then let's write anticipate. So this one cannot be seen, probably because the text color is white. So let's change it. Let's change it to yes. I bet this one will do. And of course, the text should work for us. It should look like a movement. So this will do. It's in an italic, so it's like it's already moving. Anticipate. So we're gonna use a graph editor later in this video. So first, let's press P for position, because we're going to change the position in the y-axis. At the 1 second, let's press the stopwatch for creating a new keyframe or recording. On the 3rd or the 3 second, let's move this word beneath so it won't be seen. Let me see the animation. So it's so slow, right? Time ruler, reduce the time ruler. I'm gonna create an anticipation at this time, so it's like a preparation movement. Before it goes down, it has to go up. However, it's very slow, right? Now let's go to our graph editor in order to edit it a bit more control. So let's go to this icon and select the graph editor. As you can see, these are the X and Y axis represented in green and red lines. Let's select these lines, the green and the red, and then let's separate the dimension so our position will have an X and Y axis position. Press this, separate dimension, and there we have it. We have separated the X and Y position. Now let's move on to our Y position, because the movement of the word anticipate is just moving along the Y axis. So I'm gonna use this Bezier line or controller and create a curve in order to create a smooth animation. So we should always remember that whenever we see lines like this, it's either we make it linear or sharp line, or we should create it in a very smooth curve. So this one, it's not yet smooth. This one from here to here. Then let's edit it. Select the controller, the yellow one. Create a curve. And then let's see what it looks like by playing the viewport. So I'm kind of liking how it went up fast and then how slowly it goes down, but it's too slow. So I'm gonna leave my graph editor and then move the keyframes on the 3-second and move it a bit near. Let's see what it looks like. Probably a bit nearer. So it's still lacking an animation effects. Probably if we add blur on its movement, I can probably do the trick. Now let's look for the word anticipate, and then this button adds motion blur to the movement. So let's select this, add motion blur. As you can see, this one, the blue icon changed its color. It means it's enabled. So let's hit play. Oh, it's okay. So let's move it a bit more closer with each other. A bit more, I guess. And there we have it. We have created or added anticipation in this movement. So let's just go back to our graph editor and probably do this. Hit play. There. I think I like what I'm seeing here. And there we have it. We have created or added anticipation in the movement of the text. Now let's proceed on the next video.